Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one small tool which will help us with the fees receipt. I would say, here we do have some school records. Okay, I mean school fees records where we want to send the the final receipt, okay, to the parents of the year submission of the fees. So here in the data set I do have some data set by the student ID and the name, class, section, year, tuition fee, lab fee, library fee, all these things I would like to send it to each parents, right? So the parents that you can put, okay, in any column, but in my case so far that I made it static. For example, that you want to send the all these student, because these are the 45 students which has been, okay, for whom the fees has been submitted. Now I want to send the slip of their fees submission to their parents, right? So in that case I will have to have some payslip format. So in my case I have prepared this format here. Okay, and accordingly I do have some one signature, authorized signature, okay, that I took it from the Google, you can see. Okay, and here I do have, and I prepared this format. Okay, and after that I written some code which will help me to in generate a email. For example, I am clicking here, you look, it will automatically, it will keep on generating the email, you look, automatically. Now I'm stopping it here. And and here I would like to teach you that how you can create it. For example, let me show you as well the payslip, how it look like. So I'm opening it. You look, this is the payslip, guys. Okay, this is the payslip which will go to the parents, okay, to the student parents. So in my case I have not put it the the dynamic the email address. In your case you can do that, but now I'm going to teach you that how you can create it from the scratch. Let's do it. Okay, this is the format which you can copy it. I will also attach this file in the description box, guys. From there you can go and download it for your practice. Okay, so in my case, for example, this is the data set. I'm copying it and pasting in different worksheet. Okay, and now this is the format you guys have to copy. Simple, just copy the format, and after copy the format, now paste it anywhere. I'm pasting it here. Example, I'm pasting it here. You can also paste it wherever you want to. Okay, so in my case I put it. You have to make your format as per your convenient. Okay, so this is the format, right? Now I'm closing this file. Now I have to write the code. This is the format you guys have prepared, okay, to generate a payslip. So here what you have to do, now we do have format here, correct? Now what I want is that this is the formula that which is completely now linked with the other workbook. I would like to link it with the existing workbook. So what I need to do, this unique things we do have, this is the form. Let's rename the sheet form, and this is the data set. In this form I would like to run a one loop which will help us to keep on pasting this student ID here, and after pasting all the other details should fetch automatically. So based on VLOOKUP, equal to VLOOKUP, it bases this I would like to have the name 3. Okay, and same. Now receipt, for the receipt the student ID is unique, take the column number 2. Okay, and date, it will be always today. Okay, today. You can change the time date format as well. So section, based on student ID, you can also pull the section here. Okay, and column number 4. And after that, academic year would be this one, 5. Okay, now we have look up all these details. Now about tuition fee, so for the tuition fee, copy it and come. Now tuition fee is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6. Now paste is 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and the total fees I did the sum here. Simple. Previous fee equal to VLOOKUP and see if we do have, so it will give you the value. Previous fees 11. Okay, we do not have against this student. There is no previous fee remain, so it's completely 0. The next is we have done the total payable. So it is we have done the plus of we do need to do the plus of this and this. Okay, 14750. and this is the online transfer, I mean made mode of payment. So the mode of payment is row number 12 and reference number is 13. Simple. And here I did the simple sum balance amount. Okay, and after that this amount in words, this is something I have written a formula which you can statically copy and paste it, which this will help you out, okay, to print your this numeric amount in the words, okay, in the simple way. I try to keep it in the simple way, and this is a sign which I have taken from the Google. You can also take it. Okay, now form is ready, guys. Form is ready. Now next what you have to do, you can put the border. What next you have to do, you have to simply, let me make it in the center. Let me make it in the center. Make it in the center. Make it in the center. Now, okay. It looks good now. I would like to have here one code. Let's save it first. Save it in the folder. For example, I would like to save it on the desktop. So in the desktop, I am preparing one folder by the name of payslip. Payslip. And tool name is payslip tool version 1.1, and you have to save it in the binary. Simple. You have to write a code which will help you to generate a PDF. I mean this the receipt should export in the PDF and automatically attached, okay, on the email as well. So for that, write here alt press alt F11, then alt IM to add the module. Start writing your code. Option explicit and sub procedure generate PDF. Okay, generate PDF. Simply you have to enable the one external library in order to integrate your Outlook with Excel. So here you do have one library which is Microsoft Outlook 16.0, something like that. Okay, I'm showing you Outlook 16.0. Okay, now dim OT as new Outlook application, OML as Outlook mail item. Okay, next what we have to do, so in the sheet number 1 we do have data. Start writing code dim k as an integer. So from k to 2, I would like to run my route in sheet 1 cells dot rows dot count, then column a dot and xlub dot row. Next k. After that what you have to do, you have to paste your you have to keep change the student ID. As soon as you will change it, everything will get changed automatically. Then once it's changed, just export, okay, in the PDF and attach on the email. That is the task, guys. So for now, as soon as the loop will keep on running, it keep on changing the name, I mean the student ID in B8. In B8 I would like to have the name of sheet1 dot range a k dot value. Okay, and after that I would like to export the range from a1 to e28, and I would like to export it in my current workbook, wherever this Excel PDF, this workbook dot path and attachment name I would like to give it as the student name, fees submission slip for student ID, sheet 1 dot range a and k dot value, then dot x dot pdf, not xlx. Okay, after that start integrating your Outlook. New Outlook application, set oml ot dot create oml item, then with oml, spelling should be correct, guys, otherwise it will throw you error, and with, and I would like to write here 2 in the 2, write here ExcelVBA422 at the rate gmail.com, for example. And subject I would like to write here fees submission slip for student ID, range a and k dot value. And email body I would like to write here, okay, hi parents, okay, parents, this is the HTML body, guys. Okay, in the second line I would like to write here, please find the attached, please find the attached fees submission slip slip for your reference. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to simply write the thanks and regards, thanks and regards, and after that you have to write here one more line by saying fees management team in regards. Okay, that's it. And after that you have to attach it. So for attaching your PDF, just copy the path which you made dynamic here. Okay, copy it and come here, dot attachment dot add, paste it, dot display, simple, message box, done. Now let's assign it in the one button. So far if you will look at, so I do not have, I'm going here on the desktop, writing here pay slip. Okay, there is no PDF so far. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a one button from the developer tab, coming down here and assigning the code here, okay, which I return, generate PDF, and renaming it run. Okay, I don't have, you look my Outlook, I don't have, one email I have, I'm removing it. I do not have any email displayed so far. As soon as I will click here, you look, it will start keep on printing. You look, this is something which I was, I always prefer to attach the payslip in such a way. Otherwise there is another way as well to do so, but this is the easiest way, guys, that you can do. I am stopping it here and I'm gonna attach this file in the description box. Might it would not work, let me also see the PDF as well, just hold on. Okay, let me remove all the PDFs so it will be much better for you to understand, guys. Okay, okay, so how many PDFs I generated, guys? Just a minute. Okay, okay, all right. Now I do have some PDF. Let me open it. How it is look like. You look. This is something which is not really looking good. You look. It is not coming properly. So in this case, we have to align the size or the range which we have defined in the coding. You look. This is the straight line is coming, right? So click here and just keep this line and drag it here. Now if you will generate the PDF, you look, now you will be, I'm stopping it here. Okay, you may generate it later on. Okay, so you may generate it. Oh god, it's not getting stopped. Stop now. Now let me show you the PDF. Now it will be all okay. Let me show you. You look, it is completely okay. Okay, this is what I was telling you, guys, and I will attach this file in the description box, by guys. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.